They're calling these the worst Travis Scott Jordan colorway, but I just don't think that's true. This is the velvet brown colorway of the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low. It's one of the more versatile pairs we've seen, and in this video, I'm gonna be giving you 3 reasons why these shoes are better than you think. So very quickly, if this is your first time here, my name is Josh. I do sneaker reviews and all types of other sneaker content. If that's what you're looking for, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping content just like this every single week. And give me a follow on my Instagram as well, dropping content on there every single day, and it's the best place to contact me. So this model of the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low has been around for a while now. In fact, it's already been around for 5 years. We've seen a lot of different colorways over the years, and even though interest in these shoes have definitely dropped, whether it be because of all of the fake pairs floating around, or maybe just fatigue among sneakerheads of seeing just rather similar colorways of this shoe over time. But regardless, they are still the most hyped shoes in the sneaker world and still very difficult to get. In fact, this pair was the first pair in almost 5 years that I actually managed to get for retail. I won a raffle for these. I know this was one of the most widely available pairs. I heard rumors of up to 120,000 pairs made of these. So maybe that's why I got lucky, but either way, I was very happy to get these because I actually liked this colorway from the start. So the common criticism I've seen from most of the comments about this shoe is that people think it's just a bit meh, it's just a bit bland. In hand, I have to say this color is a lot darker than it looked in pictures. It is a very deep, dark chocolate brown. And the only other color on this shoe, which you can barely see actually, is on the swoosh, which is done in black. But the materials on this pair are actually quite different from most other Travis Scott sneakers because it's mainly done in suede. Most of the panels are done in, I would describe kind of like an average suede. It's not too soft. And this material on the toe box and the mid panels, I honestly can't even tell what it is. It doesn't feel like leather or suede or nubuck. I would describe it as like a very rough nubuck material. I'm generally a fan of suede shoes, so it's cool to see a Travis Scott shoe done almost entirely in suede. Now personally, I really like this colorway, and it is the #1 reason why I think this shoe is better than you think. This is not one of those, hey, look at me, I'm wearing the Travis Scott's type of shoes. If you're one of those people you just want everyone to know that you're wearing the flyest kicks, then you gotta move on. These shoes are not for you. However, this sneaker falls into my absolute favorite category of sneakers, which I like to call subtle flexes. This is the type of shoe that people might not even notice the first or second time they look at it, but if they get a close look, it's like, oh, okay, he got that shit on. This is the type of shoe that you can wear to the office every single day because you don't have to really think about what to match with it, what to wear with it. It goes with literally everything. Especially in the fall and winter season when you like wearing these darker colors, just throw this on with whatever you're wearing and it's gonna work. And also because this colorway is just so dark, you don't even have to worry about these getting dirty or messed up. They're gonna look just fine. To me, wearing the shoe shows that you appreciate good sneakers, but it's not your whole personality. You don't want everyone talking about it, but every now and then you do like a good subtle flex because you know what's up. Now, reason #2 why these are great is because it's actually one of the most affordable Travis Scott Jordan 1 Lows you can buy right now. The only one cheaper than these are the Canary Yellows, which are pretty much exactly the opposite of everything I said in point #1. But most sizes of these are in that $350 to $450 range, which is really reasonable for a Travis Scott shoe. They're about $100 cheaper than the medium olives, but they're about $600 to $800 cheaper than the Phantoms or the Olives. So yeah, pretty reasonable. Of course, you still got to be very careful when buying this on the secondary market. Make sure you don't get yourself a replica. I leave links to some other creators who have made videos talking about differences between the real and the replica pairs, so you guys can check that out. We even heard rumors, and I know this is just a rumor, that next year the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low Fragment will be releasing, and that is supposed to be the last ever colorway of the Jordan 1 Low. And I know we've heard that in the past about previous colorways, but apparently this time it's serious. And let's just assume that is true, then I could definitely see the prices on this pair and pretty much every other Travis Scott Jordan 1 colorway going up. So I would suggest getting these instead of waiting because I do think the prices will go up over time. Now, reason #3 why these are better than you think is because you can actually completely switch up the look of this shoe by just switching the laces. The standard laces that come with these pair are done in a very simple, I would say like a milk chocolate type of color, which doesn't provide too much contrast. It's obviously obviously very subtle if that's the look you're trying to go for. I switched up the laces with some cream laces, and I actually just took this pair from my Fragment Jordan 1 lows. These cream laces do not come with this pair, let me make that clear, but they are the color that, in my opinion, I think looks the best on this shoe. You don't need to get a pair of Fragment Jordan 1 lows to get these. Simply just Google waxed cream Jordan 1 laces. You'll be able to easily find them from Etsy or Amazon and several other retailers for quite cheap. At least for me, it's my personal favorite look on the shoe. The cream contrasts quite nicely with the brown, but do let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? And if you wanted to make these sneakers a bit louder, you can just go with the pink laces that do in fact come with this shoe. For some reason, pink and brown combinations always seem to go hard, and we have been receiving pink laces with a lot of the previous Travis pairs, including the OGs. I like the pink as well, but for me, it's the cream laces that I still think works the best with this shoe. It still gives you that everyday look while making the shoes just stand out a little bit, but not too much. But do let me know in the comments, out of the 3 lacing options, which ones do you guys think work best? And let me just quickly talk about sizing. So for me, definitely sizing on the Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows fit a bit different than your regular GR OG lows. There is a bit of room in the toe box, but I still think going true to size is the best option for most people. I think if you have narrow feet, then you can fit a half size down in these. These don't fit as big as those Fragment lows you see back there. Those I feel like you could have easily gone down half a size. They do fit quite long. But these, if you just have normal sized feet or even slightly wide feet, I think going true to size will work fine. Only if you have narrow feet, I would suggest going a half size down. Yeah, overall, I gotta say I really like these. It's one of my favorite colorways recently of the Travis Scott Jordan 1 low. Maybe it's just because I'm a bit older now. I'm not really into very flashy shoes. For where I am right now, I think these are kind of perfect, but let me know in the comments, how do you guys feel about this colorway? And once again, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and following me over on Instagram. Thank you so much for stopping by and for supporting my content. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.